The soul has no eyes, no ears, no mouth, only feelings. The soul's language is simple. It feels, and its favorite emotions: love, kindness, compassion, and joy. Negative emotion, anger, fear, and sadness are just signposts teaching us where to grow and heal. When we align with love and joy, we radiate peace. Imagine your soul as a glowing light, transforming every challenge into strength. Choose love, feel joy, be kind. Align with your soul purpose and watch your world transform.